Hello and welcome to How Logical. In today's video, we are about to discuss why you can't change your Snapchat birthday when the limit is crossed. So, a lot of users have problem in changing their birthday after the limit of changing their birthday has crossed. Let us know how to change so. Go to your profile, open the settings, and there you can see the birthday. It is written that you can only change it in a number of times. So after the limit has crossed, what you can do is go to the settings down below, open I need help, go to managing my account and press on birthday. Press on this link over here and you can read that if you are 18 according to your current birthday, Snapchat will not let you change it. Or if you have changed it multiple times, it will not be able to be changed as well. So what you need to do is go down and press on Contact Us. After pressing Contact Us, you should press on I need help with the Snapchat feature. Scroll down below and you can see Profile and Communities. Press on that box over there and go down and press on Still Need Help. You can see that option of Still Need Help. Press on Yes. Here you can enter your username, email, and description about why your birthday isn't being changed. Snapchat support might change the limit and you might be able to change your birthday again. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to hit that bell button to see more of these kind of tutorial videos. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.